Earthbound, the multi-species paradigm shift, is a symposium held the first time in September 2018 in Aarhus and the countryside of Mols, Denmark. Earthbound was international, interdisciplinary and interspecies. Secret Hotel made the symposium with a number of collaborators, and we invited artists and researchers to explore what it means to be earthbound, together with the three main characters of the symposium: animals, microorganisms and landscapes. Earthbound investigates the current shift where the Western world seems to be realizing that there are many other species on this planet than humans. Earthbound challenges the traditional symposia and conference formats, offering diverse ways to meet, present, exchange and interact. We hope to invite you to another Earthbound in autumn 2020, and we will also organize a number of residencies where artists and researchers can work together before and after the symposium.